ni ndendire ni njaragira mundu wako ni gongerari ni kindu giki
kiria kitumaga uguo
ona njarie nake
okay
ni tondu I know I contributed nginya ni ukorwo ngigongerwo tondu ndi cukuru kuma de form 2 ngirika into a serious condition njuru muno yani affectire etago masturbation
Jesus
kuma de form 2 natara kuma de form 2
why did you go to why are you saying single mothers
tondu ni mena tona twatuhi
okay
na no mage father figure
yes
wa matara
tondu we ndori na father figure ni akuire we class 5
yes riu diari na mundu tungiari nake maundu no mundu na father figure ni uko kwaria nake kana gucarana na andu acio agakigwa magitaro tu maundu I get gigathi masturbation which was very serious
atumia aria mataranyita na thuri aria mataranyita masturbation
ni horo wa kwijikina ai
ugekenia
we mwenyewe
kai waingira we form 2
de form 2 na ni
father figure ni onire riu muthe waku akwire we class 5
yes
riu nduri na mundu wa the father figure nduri na mundu wa kwariria
juga bari single mother gugato no marumo gukorwo makiaria
na imwana
and especially maundu megie production no horo wa mwiri gukura na changes cia mwiri riu makorwo hau no ku provide the basic needs
na kuhecia na sausage
akona tarikia
ekirete pressure guo jamba
yes no ruhe na father figure ni thiokera mun hakinyaga handu stage no hana kinya ugeko wi mwana wa you get uratagira gukwira a talk with a boy child
yes
no ni diary
tondu no
diary na vakana mundu tungiari nake riu ndegira into masturbation yari very serious tondu yako ai
Kanyaru rajera china itango kujibax
yes
Kanyaru we are serious business can you stop that nonsense ndo mwone yake umuru dojo ni wake na no towe nende matagiuga ukirika kujibax we form 2
yes
god
na yako yari serious tondu ndatarurite mufuto haha rumwari mwokari amaroka untrained teacher UT tumetagwo untrained teacher
poor boy
tiri tutroka cukuru
igai witu
ukurikio rio gitiini
oh my god
wathi na ku mwathi funky ugucoka na mbura nyingi muno ruyo ni ukumitumira it's a spirit, it's a demonic
shindwe
ndakora ne kindu kiuru
wakanyerwa tige wana wa guthaka ha ni very serious
and we will lose generation adu makiona tari
ithako
na nikio ndoga ne gwaria aria mekwenda ku judge majaji
nobody will judge you
and it is
ithe turi ngai yes
so it was that serious and you know eyokire egioka ginyate I could masturbate even 4 times a day. It was that serious.
Kai muthamakisha na shitoka iwako.
And it is serious. To do masturbation ego twaraga handu gakora ndoigua gokienda muhirego uyu ungi. Ndoigua gokienda jenda. Wezawa ito rake igira size ire gokienda. Okinyitira ure gokienda. So wakinya haria ikoragwo very serious nikindu tangihota gukorwo gitia.
Demonic.
Utare form 2 need a masturbate for 10 good years.
Shindwe
10 good years. Ni ndathiaga tugatiania na muhiki na ndathie nake ndakinya nyumba karega
shindwe
karega pio I affected githukia mwiri wakwa pio totally
shindwe
githukia pio
kai Jimmy wa UN ni uraiwa kai this is very serious honestly.
Yes
very
na ekini affect for 10 good years to ndagaragia ru dauma cukuru ndirakikara ndeika ni kuingira site icio ciothe cikoragwo ku
oh so cia pornography site
yes so wagisagura wakirikia so me I had no interest ya gukorwa atiriri
nyura date
so ndiroka haikukua
koguo na mutumia urahikia nduri committed as per se